You can cross hugs and kisses off your Valentine's list when you give them these X&O cookies from Confection Couture. To learn more about the techniques shown here, check out the other videos on the Confection Couture YouTube channel. In addition to the stencils shown here, you'll find more information about the tools used in this tutorial by visiting our website. These include the AirGenie airbrush system, Stencil Genie, Quadrant Masking Tool, cookie magnets, DecoPac airbrush food coloring, and of course, cookie cutters. Visit Confection Couture Stencils.com today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas.